Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just about to head out and run some errands real quick, but I just wanted to take you on a little journey to the daily cold start. Let's go check out this beast. Don't mind the garage, we're still moving in. Got the little Fiat big turbo here. Garage is a mess, but it's been a little cold, so we've got to let the weather get warmed up before we start cleaning this place up. But in the little Fiat, it's like a little spaceship. Let's open the garage up. There we go. Got that garage going. Alright, let's get ready for the Fiat beep. Let it run its checks. There we go. It's running its checks. Here, I'll give you guys a good video of the cold start here. There we go. Alright, let's get that cold start going. Not be able to tell, but that stuff is loud. Well, YouTube, this is just a short video. Working on that big turbo, waiting on parts to get here. If you want to follow the journey on the little Fiat big turbo, don't forget, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.